Most people get this wrong when they hear about puzzle apps that pay real money. They assume every jigsaw or brain puzzle game will instantly turn into easy income. But here's the truth no one tells you. Only a small number of puzzle apps actually pay consistently, and most of them rely on ads, points, or competitive gameplay instead of guaranteed cash. In this video you'll learn the top 5 puzzle apps that really pay in 2026, how they work, and what you should avoid so you don't waste your time. Let's jump right in. First is skills-based puzzle apps like 21 Blitz or similar brain challenge games. These apps let you enter cash tournaments where you compete against real players. You solve puzzles faster than your opponent to win. But here's the catch. Entry fees are common, and competition is strong, so beginners need practice before seeing consistent wins. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second app type is jigsaw puzzle collection apps with reward integrations. These apps let you complete puzzles for points, and in some regions those points can be exchanged for gift cards. A user named Alex from California used these during breaks, and slowly accumulated enough rewards for small payouts over time. Third is brain training apps like Peak-style platforms. These focus on memory and logic puzzles. They don't always pay cash directly, but sometimes they connect with reward programs, or offer premium reward challenges. The earnings are small, but the gameplay is consistent and relaxing. Fourth is Misplay-style reward apps that include puzzle games in their library. You earn points just for playing and completing tasks. Then you redeem those points for gift cards. Jake, a college student, used this system daily, and cashed out small but steady rewards over a few weeks. Fifth is Lucky Puzzle or sweepstakes-based puzzle apps. These apps don't always guarantee direct payouts. Instead, you earn entries into prize draws by solving puzzles. Some users win real cash, but it depends heavily on luck and participation volume. Now let's be real. None of these apps will replace a job or generate serious income. The real benefit is entertainment with small rewards on the side. Also, availability changes by country, and some apps require patience because payouts are not instant. So here's the simple takeaway. Puzzle apps that pay real money do exist, but they are best treated as casual earning tools, not serious income sources. If this helped, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns that help you avoid wasting time online.